Everything you need to plan your visit to Malabar Hill's elevated nature trail. Step into nature with Mumbai's first elevated nature trail at Malabar Hill. Opened recently, this treetop walkway offers stunning sea views, diverse wildlife, and an immersive experience among lush greenery. With easy access and a seamless booking process, it's the perfect escape from the city hustle. Amidst Mumbai's fast-paced life, a new green escape has taken shape in Malabar Hill. The city's first elevated nature trail, a 485-meter-long wooden walkway, has been designed to let visitors experience the city's natural beauty from a whole new perspective. Built by the BMC to promote urban biodiversity, the trail winds through Kamala Nehru Park and Firozeshah Mehta Garden, offering a peaceful retreat among towering trees. The highlight? A sea-viewing deck that frames the Arabian Sea in all its glory, a quiet reminder that amidst Mumbai's chaos, nature still finds a way to shine. The trail is a heaven for biodiversity enthusiasts, offering a rare glimpse into Mumbai's rich urban wildlife. Lined with over 100 species of trees, including the vibrant gulmohar, the shady banyan, and the fruit-bearing almond and jamun, the walkway immerses visitors in a lush green canopy. This start and end point remains the same, it is Malabar Hill, on Google Maps, Kamala Nehru Park. It definitely is a different experience. 25 rupees is the entry per person. Book it online, link in description. As there are limited slots every hour. Timings 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Pets are not allowed. It has a viewing deck towards the end. Please like, share and subscribe Mumbai Alert News.